Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all unread emails on the Gmail application. So let's get started right away. Now, unread emails are those emails that you have not opened up and you have not read at all. So it is not advised to delete them without reading them first. However, if you still want to continue with this process, then open up the Gmail application first and then log into your account if you haven't done so already. Now, once you log in, just tap on the menu icon at the top left and then choose your primary email. Now tap on the search box, and now within the search page, you will find various different options. Tap on the labels drop down menu and then choose all mails. Then along the drop down menu, scroll the menu towards the right and then make sure that is unread is also selected. This will now only show you the emails that have not been read within your inbox. Now, if you wish to delete all of these emails, simply long press on any one of those and then tap on select all. You can then tap on the delete button at the top right corner and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete these emails. After tapping on the delete button, these emails will all be sent to the bin. Just tap on the menu icon at the top left and then scroll down and tap on bin. And then from the bin, you can once again long press on any email and then select them all and delete them as well. Now, once your emails have been deleted from the bin folder, they will all be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how you can delete all of your unread emails on the Gmail app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.